Warm.
Iya.
This is after few months. The compost look like this. See it? Yes. You can wait for the few months again, and then you can see that this totally this one all gone, this thing. So this is how I make my compost, guys. And this is also, the rest is a compost here, and I also make here, throwing the scraps from the kitchen and the grass and the leaves, dry leaves. Wow, my apple is already grown. And this is the growth stuff, but not yet. So we put this compost in the other plant, Andy. Then we're gonna to put to this plant, kacang panjang. Need extra. My basil, small, because I didn't put any of the nutrition, but this is still new, so we're gonna wait till it's big. Organic cilantro, how you say it, celery. Look at the worm. Whoa, my goodness, that is good for the plant. Kijk Andy, zo groot de plant, zo groot. Andy, kijk de worm. Whoa, my.
Wow.
That, the worm.
Yeah.
Some of the tomato. So guys, here is my simple compost. I hope you enjoy and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. I see the raspberry, Andy. The raspberry is already growing. Bye.